Hello children, welcome to the English class. This is your English grammar class. And as you all know, we have studied in earlier video about articles and part of, or you can say kinds of article, and we have studied indefinite article. Today we are going to study definite article. Before going to start, I would like to share a thought, a beautiful thought. Today is your opportunity to build the tomorrow you want. It means that this is your responsibility, this is your opportunity to make your future. If you are having an aim, if you are having a dream, you just work hard and prepare your path for the success. This is your opportunity. And every day the Gods gives you opportunity to build your future. So be prepared for it, practice it, all the exercises, all the things, whatever you are learning through our video, through our online classes, and be prepared for the future, for the test also. And I hope you are fit and fine and you are studying also. So let's start our chapter articles. This is chapter number 8, and you can find in your English grammar book, Mastering Grammar. Take out your English grammar book, and we are on definite articles. So let's start definite articles. Definite article means we are very much confident about anything. Then we use definite, word definite. So the definition of definite article, it is used before noun, as you all know, but for the particular thing, person, or place. So this we have always keep in mind. Definite articles, only the is a definite article which indicates a particular object, thing, or person. For example, the book that you gave me was interesting. So I am emphasizing or I am indicating a particular book, the book. So here, just start how we are going to use definite article and omission of articles. These points we are going to discuss in this video. So let's start. I am going to write definition of definite article. Definite article, the is the definite article. And which indicate a particular object, things, or person. And one example I have already given. The book that you read was interesting. So, the is emphasizing on the particular book that you have read. Definite article, the is the definite article which indicates a particular object, things, or person. This definition you have to learn because this is very important for you. Only single the is the definite article and we are using to emphasize, to show or indicate the particular thing. And children, one thing we should remember always, that it can come before both singular or plural nouns. So this we have to remember always. Now next point we are going to discuss is uses of the. How we are going to use the and when we are going to use the, that we are going to discuss over here. Now first point, the is used before any noun when we want to particularize it. Before any noun when we want to particularize it. For example, the first is, so children, second point, we use the before superlatives. Now I am going to write before superlative. As we have discussed in adjective also, in superlative adjectives, we have discussed we are using the before superlatives. For example, he is the laziest boy in the family. Laziest. So it is superlative degree. And before superlative degree, I have used the. So this you have to always remember. Before superlative degrees, we use the. Now, I am giving you example. 3 Idiots was the best movie of 2010. Now here you can see 3 Idiots, name of a movie, was the. Here you can see I am putting the before best. Best is superlative degree. As you all know. So best is superlative degree, and before superlative degree we are going to write the. We are writing over here the. So always remember, before superlatives we have to write the. Now we are moving to third point. Third point of uses of the, before words like first, last, next, only. Before first, last, next, and only. We are using the. Before first, last, next, and only, the words, these are words before we are using the. For example, Sir Edmund Hillary was the first person to climb Mount Everest. Now here you can see Sir Edmund Hillary was the first. Here we are using before first, we are writing over here the. So always remember these few words before these words we used to write the. First, last, next and only. These four words are given over here. Before these words we have to write the. Sir Edmund Hillary was the first person to climb Mount Everest. Now let's move to the fourth point. The fourth point of uses of the. Before a common noun, when that noun represent the whole class. Before common noun, when the noun represent the whole class. Before common noun, when that noun represent the whole class. For example, the tiger belongs to the cat family. Now here you can see the example. The tiger belongs to the cat family. The tiger. So before common noun, when that noun represent the whole class. Here you can see it is showing, the tiger is showing belonging from the cat family. That is why we are using over here the tiger. Now let's move to fifth point, which is very important. Fifth point of uses of the is before the names of. Before the names of, suppose newspaper name or holy books, suppose Bhagavad Gita. Before Bhagavad Gita, we always write the. If we are talking about any particular place, monument, so before monument, the particular monument, we are going to write the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar, the Times of India, and the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible. So this way, before the names of, if the name is very particular, we are very particular about that things, so we are very definite about these things, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Bhagirati, because we are definite about these things, about these rivers and holy books and anything. When we are definite about it, then we are using the. Now here I am giving you some examples. Suppose if the newspaper is there, as I have told you, the Times of India, if it is written unique things, or you can say universal things, the sun, the moon, the earth. And geographical proper nouns, suppose the Ganga, the Alps, this, and holy and great books, as I have told you, holy and holy books, the Gita, the Ramayana, the Bible, etc. So this way we can understand that before nouns, before the names of, before the names of any particular thing which belongs to the newspaper or monuments or places and holy books and unique things just like the sun, the moon, the earth, universal thing, we are very particular about that. So that is why we are using definite article over there, because they are definite, they are universal, so these cannot be changed ever. So we have to write before the names of these things, we have to use the. Now we are moving to exercises. Exercises of exercise number B. Now exercise number B is insert the definite article the wherever necessary. Now as we have read, the definite article is used before the noun names, before the proper nouns, before newspaper, before geographical proper nouns, holy or great books, trains, ships, aeroplanes. If we are specifying the particular aeroplane, so we have to write the Jet Airways, or you can say the Indian Airlines, or well-known buildings. Suppose monuments, as I have told you, Taj Mahal, the Taj Mahal, the Lal Killa, these type of the monuments. And countries, in countries we can write, if the contains a common noun, the United Arab Emirates, United States of America. Now the direction, the north, the south, before these direction we have to write the, and the whole families, suppose the Roys, the Nayars, the Singhs family. So before the entire family we have to put, or we have to write the. So these things we have to remember. First point, before any noun when we want to particularize it. Second, before superlatives. Third, before word like first, last, and next, and only. And after that, before a common noun, when that noun represent the whole class. And now fifth point, before the names of newspaper, geographical proper nouns, holy books, monuments, places, and unique things, well-known buildings, countries, the direction, the whole families. There we are using the. So the is a very important article, and we have to learn these type of the uses, because of it, because of this, we that we have written on the board, and it is given in your book also. You can able to complete the exercise properly, or you never get confused in that. So let's move to the exercises which are given in your book, page number 46. Insert the definite article the wherever. We are going to solve This exercise number B, insert the definite article the wherever necessary. So, Times of India is an Indian newspaper. So, we are going to write the Times of India is an Indian newspaper. Iliad is a well-known epic poem. The Iliad is a well-known epic poem. Taj Mahal is in the Uttar Pradesh. What we are going to write? The Taj Mahal is in Uttar Pradesh. Deer is a timid creature. The deer is a timid creature. I am currently reading 9th chapter of the book. So it is correct. So we are not going to write anything over here. Giraffe is tallest creature on earth. Now here you can see before tallest we have to write the. So giraffe is the tallest creature. Now we are moving to number 8. I returned your book that you gave me last week. I returned your book that you have gave me last week. So we are not going to change anything in this exercise. Now let's move to the omission of articles. So children, you can see on the board omission of articles. Omission means to exclude or to leave. So here, when and how we are excluding articles, so that we are going to learn over here. Now, omission of articles are not used. Its meaning, articles are not used. Where and when we are not using article, that we are going to learn today. Now first point is before proper nouns. Before proper nouns. Before proper noun, we are not going to use articles. So if it is written Sachin Tendulkar, so we are not going to put over here the, because it is incorrect. So Sachin Tendulkar is a cricketer. Mumbai is in Maharashtra. Here you can see Sachin Tendulkar is a proper noun, Mumbai is a proper noun, Maharashtra is also a proper noun. So here we are not supposed to use the or a or anything, definite or indefinite article. So the first point we have to remember always, omission of article before proper nouns, we are not going to use any article. Now the second point. Where we are not using articles, before abstract noun. Before abstract nouns. Abstract noun, for example, honesty, knowledge, these are all abstract noun. So before abstract noun, we are not going to use articles. Honesty is a rare quality. Or you can write honesty is the best policy. So here we are not going to start with the articles. So here you can understand, before abstract noun we are not going to use articles. Now third point. Third point, before material nouns such as gold, silver and copper or water, before materials noun, we are not going to write any article. For example, silver, gold, water, rice, oil. So before material noun we are not supposed to write any article. So these are the points we have to always remember: before proper nouns, before abstract noun, before material noun, we are not supposed to write article. So these are called omission of article, where we are not using article. So these 3 points we have to always remember. Some example it is given in your book. Gold is a precious metal, so we are not supposed to write the gold or a gold. And we cannot survive without water. Without water, before water we are not supposed to write the or an or a. But we also say the water is the jug. The water in the jug is chilled. And here article the has been used because we are talking about particular water in the jug. That is why we have used over here. But we are not going to use before material noun. If we are emphasizing anything, suppose this example, the water in the jug is chilled, because we are indicating, you can say the particularize that water, the chilled water. So that is why we are using over here the. But all the time we are not going to use the before material noun. So these 3 points we have to remember: before proper noun, before abstract noun, and before material noun we are not supposed to write any article, whether it is definite or indefinite. So this is the rule of omission of articles. Now some exceptional are always there in English grammar. So on page number 46 you can see, whenever any kind of noun is particularized, we have to use the definite article the before it. And this first one, the honesty of the young man impressed the interviewer. It means it is abstract noun, but if we are emphasize the particular person, honesty, so there we are using the. Here the honesty is not generalized as it did in the previous example. This example takes about particular quality, that is honesty of the particular young man. So that is why we have used the over here. Now the second, the gold that we purchased yesterday has been kept in the bank locker. That we have purchased yesterday. So we are emphasizing the particular gold. That is why we are using over here the. Now in third point, Sachin Tendulkar is often called the Bradman of Indian cricket. Now here you can see we have used over here the bread man, because we are emphasizing, we are not talking about in general, we are specifying or particularizing on that particular title of Sachin Tendulkar. That is why we have used the over here. So these are the exceptional cases you can find in English grammar and in article also. And we have studied omission of article, and here the exceptional always there. So these point we have to remember always, because these are very important point, and sometimes we are getting confused and we are not able to complete the exercise because of we can't understand the rule of these omission and exceptional cases of articles. So remember or learn these exercises or these points in your mind. So children, today we have studied definite article, omission of articles. These are two very important points we have discussed today, and we have solved one exercise, and rest of the exercise you have to solve yourself, because topic is already explained to you and it is very simple and you can solve. So this is your homework to solve remaining exercises in exercise number B, page number 46. So till then, bye bye and take care.